website is more and more, and what you want to do is to go there and sign up an account, add your email, add your password. Next thing you're going to see down there is the invitation code. So just make sure that the invitation code is here. Obviously, if you use my link, you are going to get my invitation code there. So once you've done that, it's going to bring you to a page like this. And when it brings you here, you're going to see a lot of features here. As you can see withdrawal here, you can see recharge. For those of you that want to recharge, if you don't know how to recharge, you can also check somewhere around this video. You will see I've made a video on how to recharge the USDT on this platform. So check and watch that video. You're going to learn how to recharge the USDT. You can also download the mobile app here if you prefer using the mobile app. So if I click on here now, it's going to direct me to the mobile app section, and it's going to try to download, but I don't want to download that now. If you want to read more about this platform, you can come to the company's profile here, and then you can come and read all that you see here. But for the sake of this video and time, I won't be able to read all that, but you can just go ahead to read it for yourself to understand more about this platform. So this is actually an order grabbing platform where you can fulfill taxes and then earn commission for yourself. Another beautiful thing about this platform is that you can build your team, just like I'm using my affiliate link. You too can use your affiliate link to earn commission. When you click on here, you are going to see those of them that use your link to register is going to appear here, and you are going to earn some commission if they use that your link. So you can just come here and copy your link, this is your link, or copy your invitation code to send any of those people that you want to register with your link. And good enough, you can earn on this platform to the level 3. So even if you refer someone and the person you refer also refer someone, you are going to earn to the level 3 of that person. So that is how this platform actually works. So what you need to do is just go there and check more about the site to see how it works. And for you to earn more on this platform, you will need to recharge your account and then subscribe for a package. So if I click on the VIP, it's going to bring me to all the section here. So if I come here, you can see that this particular one is unlocked because I've actually recharged here. I'm also going to show you how to recharge. So I recharge 10 USDT right here, and 10 USDT will qualify you to carry out only one tax daily. So that's what I do. And when you perform that tax, you are going to earn up to 2 USDT for performing tax. So that is how it works. So immediately register, you are going to be given 350 USDT. So when you click on this place that says me, it's going to take you to this page, and you are going to see the 50 USDT here. So I've already recharged my 10 USDT as well, and that is why I'm already having 60 USDT altogether. Now before we continue, here is a disclaimer for you. I'm a financial advisor. What I do is I go out here to source for working platforms that pays people online. I test them. When it works for me, I come here to share it with you guys. There is no guarantee that you are going to replicate my result. However, advise you do your little findings and also invest a portion of amount you can afford to lose. Now let's proceed. All you need to do next is to come here to recharge your account. Now to recharge your account, you can just come here and click the recharge button here, or you just come to where it says me right here. When you click on me, you then click on recharge. So you are going to see the recharge button here. So when you click on that recharge button, it's going to take you to where you now recharge your wallet. Because if you didn't recharge your wallet, you won't be able to carry out tax on this very platform. I've actually done this, and I actually recharged 10 USDT as usual, and I'm going to carry out tax to show you how this platform actually works with time. I'm going to come here and copy the address here, and when I copy it, I'm going to go to any of my wallets. It could be Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Binance, or even OKX, depending on what you have. Then you're going to recharge the USDT from that wallet down to this address right here. For those of you who don't know how to recharge, I've actually made a video on that. You can check somewhere around this video, and you get to see that video. Watch that video to learn how to recharge the USDT TRC20. Make sure it is TRC20 because that is what is accepted here. Now, once you've known that, the next thing you want to do is to send it, and after sending it, you're going to have it recharged right here, just like you can see. So plus the 350 USDT you are going to be giving, that is going to be 60 USDT for free. So once you've done with that, the next thing you want to do is to come to this VIP section to choose a plan for yourself. So you just come to the VIP section. Depending on the amount you recharge, you can then come here to activate the particular package you can afford. So once you're done with the VIP section, if you come to the home area here, you are going to see that it's going to be unlocked right here. You can see it is unlocked. Why the rest is locked? Because I did subscribe to this package. So depending on your pocket, you can decide to go for any package you can subscribe for. So you're going to come here and click on tax, and when you click on tax, it's going to bring you to this tax section. Like I told you earlier, this is an order grabbing platform where you fulfill orders to get paid. So this is actually one of the tax. I'm entitled to only one tax a day, and I'm just going to click on this. So this is going to load, and as you can see, I've fulfilled that order automatically. And when I come to completed here, this is going to show as a completed tax, and I've actually earned about $2.30 doing this. Alright, so what I want to do is to come to me again, click on me, and when I click on me, you are going to see that our fund has increased from $60 to 62.30 USDT. This is amazing, right? So we've actually earned that commission for carrying out this tax. Now what I want to do is to withdraw. After carrying out this tax, I'm going to withdraw instantly so you too can see how it works. So I'm just going to click on withdraw. When I click on withdraw, it's going to bring me to this section, and as you can see, the tax that we carried out is what is showing. So we're only allowed to withdraw our daily tax. I want to withdraw this tax right here. So withdrawal works 24 hours. So what I want to do is to go to my Binance. So when I open my Binance, I'm going to click on wallet here. Depending on the kind of wallet you are using, it could be MetaMask, it could be Trust Wallet, or whatever. It might look different, but in my case, I'm using Binance. So I'm just going to click on wallet, and when I click on wallet, it's going to bring me to this section. What I want to do is to click on deposit, and when I click on deposit, it's going to take me to this section. So I'm just going to search USDT right here if I didn't see it, or I just search it because I've searched it before I click on it. When I click on it, I'm going to come here and select the TRC20. Don't forget the TRC20, the USDT TRC20. So I'm going to click on that. And when I click on that, it's going to show my wallet address. So I'm going to withdraw to this address. So I'm just going to come here and copy this address here. So our wallet address is copied. Now I'm going to come back to the More website, and then come to this place that says withdrawal here and put the amount I want to withdraw, 2.30 USDT, and then I'm going to come here and paste the USDT address there, and then add my password. And after adding my password, I just want to click on confirm. So this is going to process our withdrawal, and then deposit it into our crypto wallet. So guys, as you can see right here, our coin has been deposited successfully. It doesn't waste time. So this happened almost instantly, and as you can see it right here, the fund is successful here. It doesn't waste time. And one more thing, to also get a free gift from this platform, you can click here and then spin this wheel here, and when you spin it, it's going to give you a free USDT as well. Free USDT. You can spin it and earn free USDT. So guys, this is all about this platform, and I want to believe this content is helpful. If you find it helpful and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please help me hit that subscription button. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.